Read, count, learn, and grow. Explore with Miss K's learning adventures. Letter of the week, letter of the week, letter of the week. We know our letter of the week. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Letter of the week, letter of the week, letter of the week, letter of the week. We know our letter of the week.
Well, hello there, boys and girls. Can you guess what the letter of the week is?
This week's letter is.
Can I get a drum roll, please? And 1, 2, 3.
If you guessed the letter S, you were right. Sing this song with me. The S says, the S says, every letter makes a sound. The S says, the S says, the S says.
Great job! Now let's try to write the letter S. I tell you what, you go quickly grab a piece of paper and a pencil or crayon, and I'll set the timer for 10 seconds and wait for you. Ready, set, go!
Time's up, guys.
Do you have your paper, pencil, or crayon? I think they're ready. Let's get to work, little green. Start at the tippy top. Go around and curve and swoop back the other way.
Now it's time to play a little game I love to call Spy That Sound. There are things all around me that start with the S sound. Whenever you see something that starts with the S sound, I want you to say, S is for sun. You saw that up there. Good job. I'm going to set a timer for 15 seconds. Are you ready? Ready, set, go.
Hurry, guys. Find all of the things that start with the S sound. Time's up, guys.
Time is up. Did you find all of the pictures? Okay, we're going to do a little test. Are you ready? S is for sandwich. S is for spider. S is for scissors. That was a hard one. S is for star. S is for socks. S is for sneaky snake. And the last one, S is for squirrel. Good job, boys and girls. Wow, that was so much fun. Don't forget to come back to join me next week for the letter of the week. I'll see you later, my smart little alligator.
Bye. Bye. See ya later. See